when you have a heap sort, you have two important things to be noted. Very important thing. First one is heap construction. And second one is second stage. This is the first stage. Second stage is maximum deletions. When they ask you, you have to write this and you have to start with you have to take the key elements whichever they have given, take those elements and start with the insertions and then deletions. Okay, that is what very important thing with heap sorting. Whatever we have studied top down approach, same thing, but the name itself, the name they are telling it as sorting, because we have to do both insertions and deletions for sorting technique. That is what they are telling. Okay, that is known as heap sort, both insertions and deletions. Now I will take a simple example. That is the same example which is very important in the examination question papers also. They have given example 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8. This yesterday I have done this. Now you people have to answer whatever I am doing. You people have to answer this. Now what I have to do? I have to insert. So first thing is what I have to do. First step, I have to take this first element and make it as a root. Okay, make it as a root. Then second step is what? Second step is for this root. What I have to do? I have to add the next element. That is, always try to add from the left to right. While adding, this is important. Look here, this adding will be done from left to right. Deletion will be done from right to left. This is very important. So now take the next element, that is 9. Take this element, add to the left of the tree. Now after adding, what we have to do? Tell me what we have to do after adding. I want answers from you people.
Swap, ma'am.
Yeah, because you have to see the parental dominance. That is very important. Check the parental dominance. Now, parent is small than the child. So what we have to do? We have to swap that and we have to bring parent and we have to bring the child down. Okay, this is the second step. What is the third step? So third step is take the next element. What is the next element? 7. I'll take 7. Okay. When you take 7, what should we do? We have to add that element to the previously existing tree. So where I should add the element? Where I should add the element? Now where should I add
Right.
7? Elad Badbak. Where should I add 7?
Right side of the root 9.
Right side of 9, ma'am.
Yes, right side of the root. So now I will add 7 over here. Okay, now check the parental dominance. Is everything correct? Is parental dominance okay with this? Parental
Yes, ma'am.
dominance, see the parental dominance. Yes, it is correct. No need to change because this is
Yes,
always
ma'am.
this is greater than 2 and 7. So take the tree as it is. Now I will take the tree as it is. I will go to the fourth step. Okay, it is correct. Now what is the fourth step? Take the sixth element. Now I will take 6. Next element 6. Now already the tree is 9, 2, 7 is already there. Now I have to add 6. Where should I add 6 now? Tell me, where should I add 6?
Left side of the root 2.
Yes, it should be added to the left side because addition always takes place from left to the right. So now I have added 6. Okay, after adding 6, what I have to do? I have to check the parental dominance. See the parental dominance, is everything okay? Now check the
No, ma'am.
parental dominance. Where? Here I have to do check the parental. Is parent smaller than the child? No. So now what we have to do? We have to swap. So after swapping, what I'll get? 9, 6, 2, then 7. Okay, this level is okay for me. Now check this level. Is this level parental dominance is okay? I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
that. Yes, here parental
Yes,
dominance is
ma'am.
okay. I no need to swap. So now this tree is correct for me. Now I have to go to the which step? Now I should go to the next step. Next fifth step. So what is the next element? 5. Take 5. Okay, now you have to add that element to the existing tree. So now the existing tree is 9, 6, 7, 2. Where should I add 5 now?
Right side of root 6.
Yes, right
The
side of
right side of 6,
planet
ma'am.
6. Okay, this is correct. So now I should add 5 here. Okay, now after adding, can you tell me the parental dominance over here? What about the parental dominance? Is it okay? Check this level.
Okay,
Come
ma'am.
on, check this level. This level is okay because 6 is greater than 2 and 5. And then check this level. 6 and 7, 9 is greater than 6 and 11. Okay, this tree is perfect for me. No, now no need for any exchangeal. Now I should go to the next step. Next step is add 8. So take the tree whichever you have already constructed. That is 9, 6, 7, 2, 5. Now where should I add 8?
Left
Tell me
side of
where
7,
should I
ma'am.
add 8? Okay, where? Left side of the 7. Okay, now I have added 8 over here. And after adding, now what I have to do? I have to check the parental dominance. See the parental dominance over here. These two, 6 is greater than 2 and 5. This is okay for me. Now come to this. Is 7 greater than 8? What should I do now? Here, what should I do?
Swapping, ma'am.
So we need to swap
Swap,
this. So swapping, I have to swap this and I have to write 6, 2, 5, and here what is the thing? I should write 8 and here I should write 7. Now see the parental dominance. This is okay. This is correct. Now see here 6 and 8 are lesser than 9. This is also correct. Now finally I got a tree. Now is there any element over there? No. So this is the final tree. I'll get it. Now in form of an array, represent this in form of an array. Represent this in form of an array. Tell me how to represent this in form of an array and write, because finally you have to write this in output in form of an array. That is list of elements you have to write and you have to show. Haley, how you represent in form of an array?
9,
9,
Then
6,
8,
7,
6,
8,
8,
8.
8,
then
ma'am.
2, 5.
2, 5, 7.
yeah, this is how we represent. So you can take this and you can just write 9, 6, 8, 2, 5, 7. This is the output of heap. Okay. Okay. This is the output of the heap, that is insertion. First stage we have completed. Okay. Now finally we have to take this tree, whatever this tree is there. Now take this tree and we have to delete the items. After deleting the items, easily we will get a list of elements which are sorted. Now is this sorted? Can anyone tell me, is this sorted? Is the list sorted?
No.
To me. No, this is not sorted. Look here. 9 is greater than 6. 6 is smaller than 8. 2 is smaller than 8. So you have to get in what order? You should get an output in on form of 2 should come in the beginning. Next 5 should be there. 6 should be there. 7, 8, 9. Like this you have to get, right? So still this is not in a sorted order. So to sort this, what we have to do? We have to go to the next stage. So now we will go to the stage 2. Okay. Now we will go to stage 2. That is maximum deletions. Once you keep on deleting the elements, then only you will get this in a form of sorted order. Now to delete, what we have to do? We have to take this tree. Take this tree, whichever you have constructed last, which tree you got, that you have to take. So 9, 6, 8, 7, 2, and 5. You have to take this tree last, whichever you got, this tree you have to take and you have to do deletions. Now what I have to do? I have to, what is the first step in deletion? What is the first step? I'll just write the steps over here. You will remember. First step is what? Exchange root with last element and heap or decrease. Delete that element. Then finally check the parental dominance. Then finally, fourth step is repeat all. This is what the important steps for deletion. Okay. Now I have to take this. I have to take this first, and here very important things. In your top-down approach, you will not write steps, but here you have to write these steps. Whatever these steps you do, you have to write here so that you will get the marks. Or else, if you just keep on writing, you will not get marks. Okay. Now first stage is what? I have to delete this. Delete 9. Right? Maximum deletions. That is how I should delete 9. First one, delete 9 by exchanging with which element I should exchange? Tell me which element I should exchange. What is the last element in the tree? Always deletions takes place from right to left. Okay, see the last level. What is the last element in the last level? Tell me.
2, ma'am.
Hey, no, from right to left you have to do, not from left to right.
7,
Right?
ma'am.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. Insertions ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, deletions ಹಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Deletions will be from left to right. So which one is the last element in the tree? 7 is the
7.
last element. So 7 is the last element. Exchanging with 7. That is the last key or last element. Okay, now what I have to do? I have to exchange this. This is what swapping. Now after exchanging, what I'll get? I'll get a new tree. Look here, 7 will go there, 6 will come here, 8 will be here, 9 will come here, 2 and 5. Now what I have to do? Delete this. Delete 9. Okay, now after deleting, what you will get? You should write a new tree. Again, after deleting, you should write a new tree. So after deleting, I'll get 7, 6, 8, 2 and 5. Okay, so now what you have to do? What do you have to do? What do you have to do? Tell me. Now we have to check the parental. Look here, third step.
Parent
Is the
dominance.
parent dominance. Yes, we have to see the parental dominance. See here, is 6 greater than 2 and 5? Here, do we need any requirement of swapping is there? No, it is perfect. And look here, is parental dominance correct in the first level? Gagan, ಹೇಳಿ. Is here
Yes,
parental
ma'am.
dominance? Okay, correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
8 ಮತ್ತು 7 swap ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ma'am.
So we have to swap this. So now I will write 8, 6, 7, 2 and 5. So here what you have to do, you have to write the elements over here. That is 7, 6, 8, 2, 5. I have deleted 9 from the list. Idana baribeku. This tree, whichever it is there in the beginning, after exchanging the element, you have to write those elements in form of array. Look here, I have to write this tree 7, 6, 8, 2, 5, 9, delete 9. Idana sumne hing mark madkoli so that it will be easy for you. 9 is deleted. Okay, now after deleting 9, where you have to put? You have to put that in form of an array. Somewhere just note madkoli aste. Here deleted. Idanna ondu solpa dark agi madkoli so that you will come to know. Okay, now this is a tree. First step is completed. Now I have to go with the what? Next step. That is repeat the same process by taking the trees. That's all. Now second step is what? What I have to do? I have to take this tree, and here what should I delete? In this tree, what should I delete? This is the final tree of the first step. Idralli ಏನು delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Tell me, what
8.
should I delete? 8. Always see to that you should be deleting roots. Roots na ಮಾತ್ರ delete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕು. Okay. Next step is delete 8 by exchanging. ಏನ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ exchange ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Exchanging with last key. What is the last key here?
5, ma'am.
5. Yes, last key is 5 because you have to delete from right to left, not from left to right. So once you complete this level, then only you can go to this level. Complete all the elements this level. Now what is the last element? 8. So now I will write 5. Sorry, I'll write that array. I'll write that this thing over here. That is 8, 6, 7, 2 5. So ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? You have to exchange. That is exchange 8 with 5. Exchange 8 with 5. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು you can write that in form of an last, you can write in form of an array that now after exchanging we have to write. Okay, don't write the array here. Now after exchanging ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? 5 will come here, 6 will come here, 7 will come here, 2 will be here, and 8 will be here. I have exchanged with 8. Now write this in form of an array. ಇದನ್ನ array represent ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. What is that? 5, 6, 7, 2 and 8. Now what should I do? I should delete 8. So delete 8. Delete madi. So after deleting, what you will get? You will get a new tree after deleting. So what is that? Look here. 5, 6, 7 and 2. I'll get this. Okay. Now, after deleting, what is the last step I have to do? The last step. Look, 3 steps for each loop. First I have exchanged, then deleted. What is the next step? Parental dominance. Here, is parental dominance okay? Is parental dominance correct idea?
No,
Tell
ma'am.
me.
No,
No,
parental-
ma'am.
No. Look here. Is 6 greater than 2? Yes, this is correct. Now come here. Is 5 greater than 6 and 7? No. Here you have to do parental dominance. So what we have to do? We have to exchange 5 with what? 5 na yavadra jothe
7.
exchange madana?
7.
Yes. 7, 6, 5, 2. Okay, this is the perfect correct tree for me now. Now take that and go to the next step. That is third loop. Okay, that is take this tree. 7. Sorry, first I'll write this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? Tell me, what should I delete from here? ಏನ್ delete ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
7, ma'am.
Yes,
7.
we should always delete roots. Delete 7 by ಏನ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? With last key ಯಾವುದು?
2.
2, ma'am.
Yes, last key is 2 because this you have to complete this. Then only after completion you have to go. Now write that tree here. That is, I'll write 7, 6, 8 and 2. Okay. Now I have to exchange 7 with the last. That is, exchange this. Okay. After exchanging, what I'll get? I'll get 2, 6, 8 and 7. So here after exchanging, write the elements. What are the elements? 2, 6, 8, 7. So you should delete 7. 7 na delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So delete this. After deleting, what is the new tree you will get? ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What is the tree? 2, 6, 8. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Now, what is the next thing you have to do? We have to see for the parental dominance. See here, what is the parental dominance? Is 2 greater than 6 and 8? Check for parental dominance. Is 2 greater than 6 and 8?
No, ma'am.
8.
8 ನಾವು 8 ಯಾವಾಗೋ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. Again, why I am writing this is 5. Oh, sorry. This is 5. Here it is 5. ನಾನು ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹಂಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. Okay, now tell me with which element I should exchange to? 2 na ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಜೊತೆ exchange ಮಾಡಿ
6,
parental dominance ಬರೀತೀರಾ?
6, ma'am.
Yes, 6 is greater. So take 6, then 2 will come here, then 5 will come here. So this is the next. This is the tree of the next. So now what should I delete? ಏನ್ delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕು next? Next loop ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ delete ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Tell me next loop what you will delete. Vaibhav, are you there in the class?
6, ma'am.
Yes, we have to delete 6. Delete 6 by exchanging. with last key. What is the last key now in this? What will be the last key?
5, ma'am.
5, ma'am.
Yes, from right to left you have to delete. So that last key is 5. Now I will take that. 6, 2, 5 is a tree. I have to exchange this 6 with this. After exchanging, what I will get? I'll get 5, 2, 6. Write this array. That is 5, 2, and 6. 6 should be deleted. Now delete this 6. After deleting, what you will get? 5 and 2. Okay, this is what. Now, is any parental dominance correct, or it is okay if you have to exchange?
No, ma'am.
It is correct because 5 is greater than 2. No need to exchange. Now I have to go to the next step. Go to the next loop. Go to the next loop, that is fifth one. What I should delete? Delete which
5.
number? Delete 5
5,
by
ma'am.
exchanging with last element. What is the last element in that? 2, right? So now I'll take 5 and 2, exchange that with this element, and then you'll get 2 and 5. Write a new array, that is 2, slash 5. Delete this 5. Delete this. After deleting, what you'll get? You'll get 2. You'll get 2. Okay. Now there is only one element. No need of going with any parental dominance. Just take that, and finally what I have to delete now? What is the last element I should delete? Go to the last step, sixth step. What I should delete? ಏನು delete ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 5 delete
2, ma'am.
ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. What should I delete?
2, ma'am.
Yes, delete 2. Okay, finally I'll get this and delete this. That's all. So in deleting order, I have deleted everything, and finally you have to write the arrays whichever you are deleted from down. Okay, from last you have to keep on going to the beginning. What is the last element I have deleted? Last element which I have deleted is, now I will get a sorted order. Which is the last element? 2. Which was the next element? Look here, which was the next element? 5. After that, before that, what was that? 6. Look here, inge barkondu hogbeku. Next is 6. Then before 6, which element? 7. Then before 7, which element I deleted? 8. Before 8, which element? 9. Atara. Okay, now 7, 8, 9. You got this? Look here. After deletions in heap sorting, this is what heap sort. You got an order of an element which is sorted. Now tell me, is this element is in a sorted order? 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorted order idya ilva? Is this in sorted order?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is how we need to construct a heap sorting technique. They ask you to sort the elements. First you have to construct a tree like this. That is the first stage. One is construction. Stage 1 is construction. Like this, you have to keep on inserting each element one by one from left to right. See the parental dominance, and finally you will get one tree. And after getting that tree, take that tree and start deleting the elements. That is maximum deletions. Always delete a root. Delete the root by exchanging with the last element. Exchange it first. After exchanging, what we have to do? We have to write the array. Like this, you have to write the array and delete the element. Okay, after deleting, write the tree and see the parental dominance. Write it again. And take this root for the next loop. Delete the root by exchanging with the last element. After exchanging, write the array. Then delete the item. After deleting, write a tree and check the parental dominance. This repeats unless you get a small single root. That is, one single root will be there. Delete that item. And finally, after everything, write in an order. From last you go. Which element you deleted from last, keep on doing. Like this, you'll get a, okay, understood? This is what heap sorting technique. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what heap sorting